Hey, what's up, folks? I'm back at it with another highly anticipated farm vlog. Haven't posted in a while. I don't give a shit. Screw off. Today it's cold as balls, first of all, but we're supposed to get, I don't know, like 6 inches to 10 inches of snow or some shit tonight and tomorrow. So I'm gonna hook my tractor up to the scraper so I can clean my driveway and uncle's driveway and my mom's driveway and all of the yard and everything. So that will be the first thing. Then we got to get the skid steer unloaded off the truck, get it inside in case I need that tomorrow also, and then I don't know, we'll see where we're at after that. Well, first things first, had an adapter for this hydraulic hose. Of course, I don't have one for this one. So I guess I will go into town and get a new hydraulic end because we don't have any of this style laying around here. Okay. One short little 30-minute trip for one hydraulic end completed. Now I just gotta battle through these friggin' weeds, screw this on there, and then we're ready to go, dude. Okay, please don't fall off of there. Guess who forgot their wrenches? Okay, good enough. Alright, well, see how this goes one-handed. Probably not very well. Those are really dirty also, Jesus. Oh, this is gonna be hard. One-handed. Never mind, I'm so frickin' incredibly strong, it's not even a problem for me. Oh, is this fucking adapter not gonna work? Brief intermission. I hope it's still recording. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Rock and roll. Yeah. She didn't love it. Okay, gotta get the skid steer off the truck. So I gotta hook up the ramps. Down she goes. And now this one. Gotta give her a little help sometimes. Wow. Unreal, huh? Go ahead and unhook these now before I forget. Okay, well, you get the idea. Oh my god, I forgot how bad it sucks doing this shit with one hand. Okay, there we go. Get it, got it good. See my dog almost just get hit by the skid steer right there? Idiot, dude. Okay, we got her whipped, finally. That took way too long, just like everything else. But it is done. Get out of here without hitting it. Golden! Golden! Okay, I'm back. It's like 2-3 hours later. I don't know. I don't even remember when the last clip was, but I had a bunch of meetings and blah 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 blah, blah. But we're done with all that now. I guess I'm gonna hop in the skid steer, move the tanks that I bought last year that never got put on a tractor, move those somewhere that looks neater. I don't know, we'll see. Just come along for the ride, I guess. Not exactly sure how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try her out. Frig it. Friggin' screw it. Well, putting them back where the scraper was. Probably gonna regret this when I put the scraper back, but we're doing it, so whatever. Oh yeah, beautiful. Hell of a lot better than just sitting right over in the way of everything right here. So that's where they're gonna go. Next project, get this truck out of the frickin' way. May as well. Oh, that's great. And we're going to get hydraulic oil, I guess. I hope that's the problem. I don't know, I've never really messed with it. It's kind of my grandpa's deal, so hopefully we don't. I almost cussed. I almost said a cuss word. Hopefully we don't mess anything up. PG for the kids. I forgot to clean out the funnel, so now I have to go find some brake clean. Good enough. Got it in my mouth. A little brake clean never hurt anybody. One down, one to go. Isn't this super exhilarating for you guys? This is quality content here, baby. Nailed it. Oh, we're getting colder. What they're doing? Grumpy. Sit. 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 Cash, sit down. Oh God. Come on. Right here. Right here. Oh my God. Well-trained dogs right there. Specimens. No idea why this giant piece of concrete is on the trailer, but I suppose we'll get that off while I'm here. That giant piece of concrete. Don't know where I'm gonna put this either. Somewhere deep, dark into the trees, baby. Deep and dark into the trees.